In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error on Strava app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you're getting this error and you're told please try again but nothing seems to work, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. To get started, go to your phone and look for settings option. Under settings, look for apps. And under apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From this, search for Strava like that. Tap on it to open. Here you want to go to force stop and OK to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and clear cache. OK. Finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone. And now if you go to your Strava app, everything should be working without any issue. However, if nothing changes, then check and then see if you're using any VPN, turn it off or uninstall it, as this might be causing the problem. Also check and then see if you have the latest version of Strava app through Google Play Store or App Store. Search for the app and update it to the latest version. However, at this point, if nothing changes, then most likely Strava might have experienced internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait and try logging in after some few minutes. Now you should be able to log in and use your Strava app without any issue. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.